Question 38, we've got 4 parts here. It would like to know what is the cosecant of 30 degrees, the cotangent of 60 degrees, the cosine of 30 degrees, and part D, cotangent of 30. Now they do give us these tips up here, but what I need you to notice is that these are trig values, one of the 6 main trig values, and these are angles on the unit circle. So you really shouldn't need these tips at all to be able to work these questions. Now it might make it a little bit quicker, but it shouldn't be necessary. Okay, so cosecant is the reciprocal of cosine. So if I know the sine of 30, I can flip it over and get the cosecant of 30. So there's part A. Tangent and cotangent are reciprocals. So as long as you're talking about the same angle, like 30 degrees, we should be able to flip it over. And in this case, we need to rationalize. So we get 3 square root of 3 over 3, and that reduces. Cosine of 30, well, that's as straightforward as you can get on the unit circle. At 30 degrees, that is the big X value, so positive square root of 3 over 2. And then the cotangent of 60, you could figure out the tangent of 60 and then do reciprocal. So that would be okay. I think what they actually are hoping for here is that you use one of your cofunctions. This is one of the few times early in the year that you can see to use a cofunction. So yes, of course you could find the tangent of 60 by finding the sine of 60 and the cosine of 60 and dividing those and then doing reciprocal, and it works. It's a little time consuming, but let's use the cofunction here so I can show you how that's supposed to be making it a little bit easier. So the cofunction says that the tangent of an angle is equal to the cotangent of 90 or pi over 2 minus the angle. So in this case, if I would like to know the tangent of 30, that's the same thing as the cotangent of 90 minus 30. And 90 minus 30 is 60. And so there you go. The tangent of 30 is the same thing as cotangent of 60. It wants to know the cotangent of 60. It's the same as the tangent of 30. So if you have that cofunction identity memorized and you can see the relationship between some of those, sometimes in this instance you can save yourself a little bit of work.